So EP3 the house. So we fitted a jack speed manifold to it, well Jason has. And yeah, it's back up on the dyno. We did preliminary runs a little while back in the week, and now we've put the Honda Vert board in the ECU and we're starting our live tuning. Honda Vert proving very popular, very successful here at least. And yeah, we're loving it. 500 quid, and you can't complain at that, can you, for K-Pro technology, really? That's all it is. It's the equivalent. But yeah, these are mapping up really lovely. This is a nice little car as well. Right. It's all gone quiet. That means Richard's brain's whirring around. We'll zoom in on him. What, that your brain's working? Yeah. So the printer is on. So there we go, we're finished with this Honda Vert map on the EP3 today, and as Richard can show you with the arrow, here's 40 brake in the mid-range, that is about there, and then overall we've got brake horsepower kicking it all the way through there after Vtec, and we finish on 228 brake, which is 199 at the wheels, everybody. Happy days. You're happy with that, aren't you, Rich?
Yeah, I'll say so.
Good little car, ain't it? Rich is taking his photo.
I think a different induction kit would have made a little bit more, but...
Cool. Okay, that's another Honda Vert EP3 in the bag. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We'll catch you on the next one.